Hello and welcome to this quick video on PDCA cycle. We recently did a video on ITIL, kind of explaining what ITIL is, what kind of certification it is, and one of the very important topics in ITIL is PDCA. So that's the topic, and it's going to be a smaller video. This is also going to be helpful in PMP because certain texts do cover PDCA cycle even for your PMP preparation. So what is PDCA? Basically means plan, do, check, and act. And if you give it a thought, this is kind of similar to the process groups that you study for PMP, right? Integration management, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and then finally closing. So planning is here right away. Do is most of what execution is about. Check is more of monitoring and controlling of what has been done. And then act is, although in PMP we talk about closing, but then here in PDCA diagram, act is more of taking feedback, checking what has been delivered, and then planning again for the next iteration of sorts. Because if you see the arrow here, it goes back to planning. So that is the PDCA cycle. This is something, like I said, is very important in ITIL, but is equally, not equally, but is also quite a topic for PMP exam as well. Some more text on PDCA here. So PDCA do stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act, but in certain text you will find it as Plan, Do, Check, and Adjust. So that is something PDCA stands for. Again, 4R, a four-step management method, iterative four-step management method used in business for the control and continual improvement of processes and products. Now, these are some of the other names. I always kind of stress on how you should know the different names of the same processes or the same concepts, because in PMP exam, they may ask you what is Shewhart cycle, right? And if you don't know that Shewhart is same as Plan, Do, Check, Act, the PDCA cycle, you'll not be able to answer that question. So it's best to kind of know the names, the different names of the same concepts, and maybe try to incorporate that in your notes before that, the ones that you make just before the PMP exam. They are also known as brain dump. I'll share a link to brain dump, how you should create it. We have covered that in a video over at PMC Lounge. All right, so the other names of PDCA are the Shewhart cycle, Deming circle, Deming cycle, or Deming wheel, the control circle or the control cycle, and PDSA, which means plan, do, study, and act. That's all that we had in this quick video. Hope you were able to understand the concept of PDCA. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload our new videos. Don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you.